How to get iPhone messages on your Mac computer. So I'll show you how to sync your messages between your phone and also your Mac. Now first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone and go and load up your settings. You can click on your profile name at the top of this screen, and you need to make sure that you're signed into the same Apple account on both your Mac and also your iPhone. So you can see at the top here, I'm signed into this Apple account, and I need to make sure that this matches the account that I'm signed into on my Mac. You could then click on iCloud, click on See All. You could then come over to Messages and make sure Use on this iPhone is turned on and enabled. You could then come back over to the main settings page on your iPhone, scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps. You could then scroll down to Messages and then find the option for Text Message Forwarding and go and click on this. Now from the list of options, make sure your MacBook is turned on and enabled. Once you've done all of this, you can head over to your Mac computer. You'll then need to click on your Apple logo from your Mac and click on System Settings. Now click on your profile name, and like I said, make sure this is the same Apple account that you're signed into on your phone. You could then click on iCloud and go and click on Messages. Make sure Use on this Mac is turned on and enabled, and then go and close out of this window. Go and load up the Messages app from your computer, click on Messages at the top of this page and press Settings. Now click on iMessage and make sure Enable Messages in iCloud is turned on. You may also need to click on the Sync Now button and make sure where it says you can be reached for messages at, make sure the relevant options are turned on and enabled. Now if it's not working, you can also try signing out of your Apple account, and then you can try manually signing back into your account. Once you've done this, you should be able to sync messages between your iPhone and your iMac.